Hello everyone. I hope everyone is fine. So today we are going to start with exercise 6.1, question number 1. In figure 6.13, AB and CD intersect at O. The line AB and CD intersecting at point O. If AOC plus BO is 70, AOC and BOE together are 70 and BOD is 40. BOD is given 40 and we to find BOE and COE reflex. Means reflex angle COE and angle BOE. So let's start with this. First of all, in your notebook you have to make the figure. So same figure, just make it in your notebook. I'm just using this right now. So given what is given, just write angle BOD is given 40 degree and angle AOC plus angle BOE is also given 70 degree. Okay, rest will calculate. So let us start. See this angle BOD is given 40 and you know that angle BOD will be equal to angle AOC. Just see in the figure, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. See this BOD this angle is equal to AOC this angle because they are making X and these are vertically opposite angles. So accordingly, we can write that AOC is also 40 degree. Now one more thing is given, AOC plus BOE is 70. So let us write this AOC plus BOE is 70 degree, where AOC we have calculated 40 degree. So we'll put here 40 degree. In this way, we'll be able to calculate BOE, that is 70 degree minus 40 degree, and it is ultimately equals to 30 degree. So BOE is 30 degree. So BOE आ गया 30. So what it is? 30 degree. After this, we have to find reflex COE. See, to find out reflex COE, you need first of all COE. Okay, to find out reflex COE, you need first of all COE. So how to calculate COE? Look here now. This angle AOC and angle COE and angle BOE together are making 180 degree. Why? Because AOB is a straight line. Look here now. AOB is a straight line and these three angles are is completing 180 degree. See this, starting from here and ending on the same line, starting from the same line, ending on the same line. It means they are completing 180 degree. So these three together are making 180 degree. So I have written AOC and COE and BOE together are making 180 degree. So as per that, but AOC we know that is 40, COE we don't know, and BOE also we know that is 30 is equal to 180 degree. In this way, COE we can calculate. This will 40 and 30 will become 70. 70 will be subtracted from that side. So angle COE is 110 degree. So COE is 110 degree now. If COE is 110, then how to find out reflex COE? Reflex angle COE is equal to 360. Whenever you have to calculate reflex angle, no, you have to just subtract it from 360 degree. Reflex COE means 360 degree minus COE, that is 110, 250 degree. So this is the solution. Note it down. Now we are moving on to the next. Question number 2. In figure 6.14, this, draw this figure in your notebook. XY and MN intersect at O. So they are intersecting at point O, where POY is 90. POY is 90 degree. POY. This A is to B is 2 ratio 3. A and B angle is not given, but they are given in the ratio 2 ratio 3. So let us start with this only. Let A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Again, now we can write here that angle POX plus angle POY are making 180 degree because of linear pair. The linear pair, no, making a straight line. See this POX, this angle, and POY, this angle, together making a complete 180 degree angle. So that's why it is forming linear pair. We can say that they are making linear pair. Okay, so POX we don't know. In POX we have two angles A and B. So let us write here A plus B, and POY is 90 as it is given in the question. And A and B value we have assumed 2x and 3x. So let us write 2x plus 3x. This 90 will get that side. It will get subtract. So here 5x is equal to 90 degree. And x is equal to divided by 5 will get 18 degree. So x is 18. We need to find here C, angle C. For C you should need the measurement of B. So let us find first of all B. What is B? 3x. So it is 3 multiplied by x. X is 18. And this is finally equals to 54 degree. Now B and C are also making a straight line. Just see here, B and C together are making this straight line MON. So B plus C again 180 degree linear pair. So B is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. So C is equal to 180 minus 54, 126 degree. If the things are clear, the second question is also done. Let us move on to question number 3. PQR and PRQ are equal. Again, you have to make the figure, make this figure in your notebook. After that, PQR and PRQ are equal. Let us write given. Whenever there is a proving question, no, see this, we have to prove here something. So we have to write first given, then to prove, then proof. Given, what is given in the question? Just write here under the heading given. PQR angle is equal to angle PRQ. What we need to prove? We have to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. And proof. How we can prove this now? See this, PQR and PRQ are equal. This marked angle, these two are equal. And we need to prove that these two angles are also equal. We have to prove that these two angles should also be equal, the way these two angles are equal. So how we can prove this? For that we will use linear pair here again. Angle PQR plus angle PQS are making 180 degree because of linear pair. We can see this. PQR and PQS together they are making, see, starting from a line and ending on the same line. So this says 180 degree always. So that's why linear pair. Okay, similarly, we'll write similarly. In short, we can write similarly like this. Similarly, this side also. PRQ and PRT. PRQ plus angle PRT. They are also making 180 degree because of linear pair. Let this equation be first and let this equation be second. Now we can write here from equation first and second. The first equation says that the sum of these two angles is 180. The second equation says that sum of these two angles is 180. See, the sum of this and sum of this is same, 180 and 180. It means this two angle together is equal to these two angle together. So let us write from the first equation PQR plus angle PQS is equals to PRQ plus angle PRD. So in this, let us write that since it is given, one thing is given that PQR and PRQ are equal. PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Yes, no? In between we are writing from given that PQR angle and PRQ angle are equal. So this and this will get cancelled out as these are equal to each other. Suppose it is 50 degree and 50 degree. So we can cancel no same. After this what is left? PQS. Therefore PQS is equals to PRT. Why we have cut these two angles PQR and PRQ? Because PQR and PRQ are equal. So these two angles will automatically will get cut from the equation and left out angle will be equal to each other. Hence proved. Hence proved. So third question is also done. Moving on to question number 4. Just see question number 4. Again you have to draw the diagram in your notebook. One thing is given in the question and we have to prove again. So let us write what is given. It is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. Fine enough. To prove that AOB is a line. So to prove AOB a straight line, let's see. There is no need of any construction. Directly we can prove this. X plus y and w plus z are given equal. Okay. But here no. See this. X, y, z and w together, all together is making a complete angle. I know. X, y, w plus z. So let us write x plus y plus w plus z. X plus y plus w plus z. These all is equal to 360 degree because they are making a complete angle. As I have told you in the beginning, that the definition of complete angle. Now let us put them in bracket x plus y and w plus z. As it is given, let me write here. As it is given that x plus y and w plus z are equal to each other. So you can write here x plus y is equal to w plus z. If x plus y is equal to w plus z, then in place of w plus z we can also write x plus y because they are equal to each other. See, now x plus y means twice of x plus y, 2x plus y. Where this 2 will go that side, it will get divided, and after division you will get 180 degree. So if you have proved this, that x plus y is 180 degree and they are on line AOB. Which line they are forming? A line AOB. It means AOB is a line because they are making 180 degree. Since x and y form linear pair, they are making linear pair, no? Because they are making 180. Hence, and a linear pair is possible only when there is a straight line. Hence, AOB is a line. Okay, if there is a line forming in the figure, then only we can make linear pair. And linear pair only makes 180 degree. Okay, if there is a straight line. So that's why AOB is a straight line, just from the reverse of this linear pair. Linear pair is possible with straight line. And we are saying that x and y are 180 degree. It means they are forming linear pair. If it is linear pair, then AOB is obviously a line. Clear? Now, the next question. Moving on to the next question. That is question number 5. A very important, mark it, very important. Fifth question. POQ is a line. Draw the figure. As it is given, the figure is given in almost with each and every question. So POQ is a line, okay. Then OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means here it makes 90 and here also it makes 90 both the sides. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. OS is a ray lie between OP and OR. So OS lies between this and this. We have to prove this. So let us write what is given. So the given thing is OR is perpendicular to PQ. The main thing is given, OR is perpendicular to PQ and nothing else. Then to prove angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So how to prove this question? This is completely a proving question. Uh, from third proving question starts, so till 5 these all are proving questions, 3, 4 and 5, and this is the most important. As see this, ROS is half of QOS minus POS. ROS is half of QOS minus POS. You need to look here that what is required to prove. Accordingly, we'll move in the proving. So starting with the proving part, I am starting this side. Okay, first of all, this ROQ is 90. See what is required here. ROS is required. No, okay, I can write that. Uh, just look for the 90 degree only. How I can make this 90? This 90. See for the 90 on the right side. Then see for the 90 on the left side. Okay, both we have to just go through. So here we have 90. Okay, ROQ is 90. But in ROQ, if we will add ROS together, so ROQ plus ROS will make this angle. Yes or no? ROQ and ROS, these two angles together will make SOQ. Or we can write here QOS because it is written here QOS. Now, why I have written this? Now look here again. First is here QOS. Here no, here it is required QOS. So that's why I directly jump to QOS. So here we have this angle QOS, and in QOS we have two angles, this and this. Just concentrate very and listen very carefully and concentrate here. QOS is required here, so that therefore I just looked at QOS, which is this, and in QOS there are two different angles, ROS and ROQ. So I have written QOS is equal to ROQ plus ROS. QOS is equal to ROQ plus ROS. Now ROQ we know that is 90 degree because there is a perpendicular. No, in place of ROQ just write 90. Do we require 90 here? Do we have 90 here? No. So just take out the value of 90 degree from here. Bring this ROS this side and let it be equation 1. Okay, no reason, nothing. Just directly we can write this, that ROS plus ROQ is equals to QOS full angle. Fine, no? And when you are writing it 90 degree, no, then write here that OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle ROQ is 90. Okay, the first equation is clear. After this, we have the second POS, and POS exists here. Now I am rubbing these all, and POS is here. Okay, two things you have to keep in mind. One, this ROS, then the other 90 degree. There should be a 90 degree also with them. And POS, then again a 90 degree. So when we were talking about QOS, so there was an angle of 90 degrees. See this. And now we are talking about POS, then there should also be an angle of 90 degrees. So this side we have POS plus ROS equals to this 90 degree. This full angle is 90, no? And this full angle is divided into two angles. Again, just see this. this full ROP or POR is divided into two angles, ROS plus POS. So let us write here again. Angle ROP is divided into two angles, ROS plus angle POS, where ROP is 90 and ROS and POS we don't know. Okay, here again we can write that OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle ROP is 90. This is given in the question. Now let it be question 2. Now just write from just compare the two equation 1 and 2. This is also equals to 90 and this is also equals to 90. So we can keep these two equals to each other. So from the first equation, QoS minus ROS is equals to, from the second equation, ROS plus angle POS. Now bring this POS left side, and here we have ROS. Here also we have ROS. Bring this ROS this side. Why have we done this? Because we were having two angles same. So I have written both the angles together on the right side, and these two different angles I have written on the left side. Now this is twice of angle ROS is equals to QoS minus POS. Now this 2 will come this side, will become half. Half of angle QoS minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS. Or we can write like this, that ROS is equals to half of angle QoS minus angle POS. Watch it again, the video, will get to know how to solve this question. Okay. Now the second means the next sixth part. So the question here is proved. Okay, so we can write here hence proved. This only was required to prove. Now as per question number 6, the figure is not given. If figure is not given, then we have to make the figure. So as per the question, we'll try to make. It is given that angle XYZ is 64. So it is nearby 60. So we know that 60 makes like this. We have to make 60 like this, no? In this direction. So we'll make 64 degree like this. No need to measure. Just a rough figure we have to make. Okay. Just wait. One more line. Let it be 64 degree and the name is XYZ. X, Y, Z. And XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. So let us produce this line till point P. Okay, and here the point is P. Draw a figure from the given information if ray YQ bisects ZYP. YQ is bisecting ZYP. ZYP. Where is ZYP? First of all, locate this. This is ZYP. And YQ is bisecting them. So from Y there should be a line which bisects this angle. So the angle is divided into two equal parts now. So this part and this part of the angle is equal. These two parts of the angles are equal now because YQ bisects them. I have told you in the beginning that what is the bisector. This YQ is angle bisector. It is dividing this full angle into two equal parts. Okay. We have to find XYQ. We have to find XYQ means this angle. And we have to find reflex QYP. First of all, we will find QYP, then reflex QYP. So QYP is this. So how to find these two red marked angle if this information is given? Just write given. In given, write that angle XYZ is 64 degree. XYZ. XYZ means this angle is 64 degree. This angle is 64 degree. Fine. And after that, nothing is given. Just this is given that YQ bisects ZYP. So let us write that YQ bisects angle ZYP. If YQ bisects ZYP, so we can write that angles on both the sides are equal to each other. Let it be X and X. So ZYQ is the angle this side, and QYP is the angle this side, and both are equal because they are bisecting. No, it means bisecting angles. If any angle is bisecting uh, by a line, then it is dividing into two equal parts. Bisects means to divide into two equal parts. So these two angles will be equal to each other. Fine. So that's why we have assumed X and X. And now let us go with the solution further. Now angle XYZ plus angle ZYP together are making 180-degree linear pair. 180-degree because of linear pair. See this? XYZ and ZYP together are making a straight line which is 180 degree. Straight line always makes 180 degree, so linear pair always makes 180 degree. So XYZ is 64, it is given, and ZYP is not given. So ZYP we can calculate 180 minus 64, and this will finally be equals to 116 degree. Okay, is equal to 116 degree. If this full angle is 116 degree, then these two angles are equal to each other, no? So it will be automatically x x will be equals to, or z by b, we can say that z by p is equals to z by p is equals to x plus x. You know that x plus x is equal to 116 degree. 2x equals to 116 degree. So these two x, both the x individually are equal to 58 degree. So x is also 58 and this x is also 58. Now after finding all the things, we can find the further things now. See this q x y q. Where is x y q? Let us write here x y q. X y q include two angles 64 and 58. So let join them or just add them. 64 plus 58, that is 122 degree. The next is QYP. So angle QYP is already given 58 degree, and we have to find now reflex QYP. It is written no reflex. So reflex means to subtract QYP from 360 degree, 302 degree. So here the first exercise is over. Okay, and rest of the means exercises 6.2 and 6.3 or 6.2 will start in the next lecture. So it is over. Bye, take care.